Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shreddeddad.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do Nordic curls from home without buying a big, bulky, expensive Nordic curl bench or without the need for a partner. And that's made possible by using this. This is the NordStick. This is all you really need. And as simple as it looks, it gets the job done. So let me go over it real quick. On one end over here, you have a door stopper. This is made of rubber. In the middle, you have an adjustable strap. As you see there, there's a buckle in the middle that lets you adjust the length of the strap. And then on the other end, you have two pieces of foam that are 1 inch in thickness. And that's all there's to it. All you're going to be doing is you're going to slide this rubber stopper under either a door or, like I do it over here in my garage gym, I slide it under my uprights. And then once you're done, you anchor your heels on the foam paddings and you're ready to roll. All you're going to really need to complement this is an ab mat or some sort of foam to protect your knees. That's all there's to it. It can't get any easier than this. If you're comparing this to buying a Nordic curl bench, which is around 600 bucks, this is a no-brainer because this is only 35 bucks. So let me go over some of the specs. So the strap over here in the middle is adjustable. You have the buckle there, and the buckle can simply be moved down to make it longer, to make the strap longer. The strap itself is 2 inches wide, and you can move the buckle in the other direction to shorten the strap. Okay, there you go. This has been rated for 300 pounds. You have the rubber stopper here. It's made of solid rubber. Feels very good. It's hard to squeeze. It's a very tough rubber. And then on the other end here, you have the 1 inch foam padding that's very comfortable. Okay, it's very comfortable on the heels. So the setup for this is very easy. All you're going to do is you're going to place this down on the floor, and you want to measure the strap and make sure that it's about the same size as your foot. Once you have that figured out, all you have to do is slide this under the door, slide this under the uprights, and then you're ready to go. This was invented for Nordic curls, but you can also do several other exercises. You can do sit-ups, you can do razor curls, and I've even seen people do some sissy squats with these where they insert the rubber stopper here on the side of the door in a vertical position. They twist this, and then they place the back of their knees against the foam here for the sissy squats. So it has some versatility to it. You can do the Nordic curls plus these other exercises. So let's talk about the pros and cons. The only con I see with the NordStick is that it doesn't already come bundled with some sort of knee protector or ab mat. That would make it a whole lot easier for the person buying this, because if you just buy this by itself, then you would have to figure that out on your own when it gets to you. Now, if they sold it together with an ab mat or some sort of other knee protector, it would make it easier for you to just start working out right away. As far as the product itself, I don't have any issues with it. This over here is a solid, very thick, very sturdy piece of rubber. The strap itself is very heavy duty, and then you have the pieces of foam here that are 1 inch in thickness that are very comfortable. So as far as the cons, I would only say that they need to bundle this together with an ab mat to make it a whole lot easier for the consumer. The pros definitely outweigh the cons. At 35 bucks a pop, this is going to be way cheaper than buying a Nordic curl bench or even buying parts to DIY a Nordic curl bench. It's very easy to set up. You just slide it under a door or a rack like I do over here. It's very comfortable with the 1 inch thick padding. It's adjustable, so you have that strap there in the middle that you can adjust. It's also travel friendly, so you can just roll this up, throw it inside a book bag, throw it in a suitcase or your bag. From one end to the other here, from here to here, it's about 13 inches in length, so it's not going to take up a lot of space. And it's also versatile. I told you that you can do Nordic curls, you can do sit-ups, razor curls, and people even do sissy squats with them. So that's my review on the NordStick. Now you can start doing Nordic curls from home without the need for a partner or an expensive and bulky machine. What I'll do is I'll leave a link below this video if you want to check this out. The link is shreddeddad.com/NordStick. If you like the information in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest uploads. For more home gym equipment reviews and discounts, make sure you visit my website, shreddeddad.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.